Hey guys, welcome back to Mitchell Does Trains, your host. Right now, we have a southbound train coming this way. He's got the clearance to go through. And I just want to tell you guys thank you for the 126 subscribers. And thank you for the support and the love. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I just want to say I have a playlist down that I created on the channel for you guys to go check out. Videos that you guys might enjoy that you guys haven't seen on the channel that I posted up about a year ago. So, well, some about a year ago, but some not. But, you know, I just want to say, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, if you guys haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit that bell for more notifications for new videos that come out each day. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started.